They don't trade before the news is being released, because there are two things that can happen. You can either blow your account, or you can double your account, or you can skyrocket your account. But most of the time, you don't want to put emotions in trading. Guys, today I want to tell you guys something that's very important, and it's about forex trading. You know, there's a big mistake which I find people doing in forex trading, and it's also one of my biggest mistakes. Guys, never trade during the news, if you know what I'm saying. This has been one of my biggest reasons why I fail in forex trading. In fact, back in the days when I was failing, when I was losing my money, blowing my account, most of the time it was because I was trading during the news, if you know what I'm saying. So if you have watched my things or my videos, and if you also watch my trades right on Telegram, you see me trading during the news. Yeah, I do that some of the time. But what I'm talking about right now is that, let's say you have opened your positions, right? Then in about 2 minutes or 3 minutes, we're having a big news being released. That's what I'm talking about. You do not want to trade during the news, because these things is one of the biggest factor that has made a lot of people to lose their money in forex trading. So yesterday we had big news. We had ADP. Today also we have another big news called the non-farm payrolls. All these news that are related to the US, the UK, and also the EU. These are big impact news. It means these news impact the market, and you don't want to be trading during the news. There are some news that can impact the market, and there are some news that will not even impact the market in any way. But what I'm saying is that you want to avoid trading during the news. In fact, if you're having an FTMO fund account, if you have been having a MyForex fund account, they don't want people trading during the news, because they know that these things can actually blow people's account. It blows a lot of people's account. So I think it's more preferable, right? If you want to trade right in the news, right, trade when the news is being released, right? Like after the news is being released. They don't trade before the news is being released, because there are two things that can happen. You can either blow your account, or you can double your account, or you can skyrocket your account. But most of the time, you don't want to put emotions in trading, if you know what I'm saying. For those who know about trading psychology, you don't want to put your emotions attached to trading. So it's pointless. Let's say you're having $1,000 account and you're running in about, let's say, $200 profit, and there's news being come, like there's a news that's going to be released very soon. Please secure your profits, close all your trades immediately, and wait for the news. Wait to trade after the news. It's either you're trading when the news is being released and following what the news is trying to like let you do, or you close all your positions. You wait after like 30 minutes or 45 minutes before you start trading, because most of the time the news destroys people's account. It causes a lot of big market movement, and that you yourself you can't even comprehend. So it's very important for forex traders to know that before you get up every morning, please open your economic calendar. We have one with my FX books. We also have with FX Streets, all these things, or investing.com. Go to this website, open your forex calendar, and look at the important news that are going to be released. Go to the high impact news, because these are the news that will actually affect the market. When the time comes, when the time is almost approaching, right, make sure you close all your trades. Okay, then wait to see the impact of the news, right? Because I always have my forex books, right, my forex book, and also I always have investing.com, right? So I see the impact of the news before I go and start trading, if you know what I'm saying. So I don't want to trade. I don't want to let's say buy before the news, and I find myself that the news goes against me. I'll lose more money than I expected, because some of the times, right, even if you put a stop loss, it will go beyond the stop loss. It's so volatile. It's so volatile, and worst of all, you're having a small account. It's going to blow the account completely. If you're having a big account, it will blow half of the account, and you're just going to be like, oh god, I wish I never traded during the news. So guys, I just want to let you guys know that, please, if you're trading, learn to be disciplined. And one of those laws in trading is that you do not want to have open positions before a market news is being released, a high impact market news is being released, because it can either double your account, or it can either blow your account. But most importantly in forex, right, the goal of forex is not to make much money. The goal of forex is to preserve your money. Then you can throw shots and make some money, but you must always learn to preserve your capital, if you know what I'm saying. So with that said, what do you think about this video? Leave it down in the comment section. Thanks for watching. It was MAKIA Forex. Bye.